Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section on the lower right corner. So here you're going to click on sign in since we're going to create a new account. As you can see, there are a lot of options to open your account with. Your Apple account, your Google account, your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. I personally chose my Apple account. Then as you can see, they created my account for me. So here's my account, here's my profile. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. You guys can open your account using different methods. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.